What's the meaning of chikungunya? Chikungunya. Chikungunya.
Chikungunya. Chikungunya. Chikungunya is a viral disease that is transmitted by mosquitoes. The name comes from the Makan language, which is spoken in Tanzania and Southeast Africa, and means to become contorted. This refers to the joint pain that is one of the most common symptoms of the disease. Other symptoms include fever, rash, and fatigue. While chikungunya is rarely fatal, it can cause long-term joint pain and disability in some cases. There is no specific treatment for chikungunya, so prevention measures such as mosquito control and personal protection are important.